Hi lovelies, it's Shayla, and today we are going to be talking about being your own resource. We're going to be talking about part 17, which is after creation musts. So after you create your content, what you should do to magnify the growth and magnify the viewership and retention, audience retention. So, handy dandy thing. I did my makeup for the first time in a long time, like full glam. It's been a fun experience. So step one after creation musts is leave a comment under the video for them to respond to. So when you do this, it helps them know that you want them to comment and that you are wanting to actually interact with them. And it boosts engagement with your audience, giving them something to respond to. Step two, share it to the community page so that the community can stay up to date with your content. And just in case notifications weren't sent out, sometimes they'll check the community page and they'll be updated that way. Step number three, share to all platforms that are important to you, so you can reach a wider audience by giving a higher chance for it to be seen. And another way you can share it is by doing a mini clip, by using the app or the website called Munch, and they'll take like mini clips, and then if they want to see the full video, then they can go to that. So the next step, number 4, is answer all comments from the first 2 hours. This helps boost engagement and shows you're active in the community, so that if anybody really wants to talk to you, or maybe someone's trying to reach out to you that you haven't talked to in a long time, they have a chance to do so. Step number 5, share to stories. So stories are short form content, so most people will watch because they want to see what your life update is about, and it's also promoted within the app as well. Step number 6, change title or thumbnail if not performing well after 6 hours. Try to use better keywords to increase SEO. Sometimes it does take a date for like a day or a month for the growth, depending on what you're ranking for, because if you chose something that doesn't rank well during that specific month, then it might do better the next month. And then the last questions are, what else can I do to make my video perform better? Well, you can use programs like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to optimize your videos. Should you remix old videos? Yes, people like a good montage. They like to see clips of other videos. Maybe that'll entice them to watch the full video. And are shorts very important? Yes, they kind of are, because nowadays more people like short form content, or even just content that is a minute long. That was my cat. He wants to go on the deck, but he's just being silly. But yeah, because nowadays people really like short form content. That's why TikTok has done so well. And yeah, that's basically all of the after creation musts that I have for you. Like I said, this will be on my Notion template and on my YouTube masterclass. All of these physical copies will be on there, and you can print them out, or you can keep on your iPad or your phone to read them later in case you forget, just so that you don't have to watch all these videos again. But if you want to, then you can go to my playlist called Be Your Own Resource, and it's on my main channel, so it's very easy access. And yeah, I would just love to have you tell me what your favorite part of this video is below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yes.